Welcome and thanks for joining this lecture on wealth management. In the next minutes, we'll cover practical strategies to grow, protect, and transfer assets in modern portfolios. Think of this as a roadmap to build financial resilience. I'll point out the core ideas, show how they connect, and leave you with clear steps to consider for your own financial journey. This section lays the foundation for effective wealth management by framing it as a holistic process. Rather than focusing on isolated investments, we look at planning, risk, taxes, and legacy together to align actions with long-term goals. The aim here is to build a resilient framework that adapts as markets, life events, and objectives evolve over time. Introduction to wealth management starts with a holistic financial approach that integrates investing, planning, risk, and estate needs. It's about purpose and perspective, defining what financial success looks like over decades, and aligning goals like retirement or education with practical plans. Being dynamic and proactive means revisiting plans regularly, so strategies stay relevant through life's ups and downs. When we talk about core components, three areas stand out: investment management to build a disciplined portfolio, financial planning to map cash flows and timing, and tax and estate planning to preserve and transfer wealth efficiently. These elements are interconnected, so a coordinated approach supports both near-term needs and long-term aspirations, as the image of a collaborative planning session suggests. Investment strategies are really about matching decisions to goals and risk tolerance. Asset allocation remains the single biggest driver of outcomes, while diversification across sectors and geographies smooths volatility. You'll choose between active and passive approaches based on cost and conviction, and constantly balance potential return against the risk you can comfortably bear over your investment horizon. Risk management means identifying threats like market swings, economic shocks, or life events, and then taking steps to reduce their impact. Practical tools include insurance to cap catastrophic losses, portfolio hedges and diversification to stabilize returns, and a routine of review and adjustment so plans remain aligned with evolving goals and changing market conditions. Tax planning helps keep more of what you earn by selecting tax-efficient accounts and strategies. That means positioning assets to take advantage of tax-advantaged wrappers, optimizing retirement contributions and withdrawals, and differentiating income types to reduce liabilities. Ongoing analysis is key because laws, incomes, and markets change, so plans must adapt to prevent tax leakage and preserve wealth. Estate planning ensures your wishes are honored, and wealth transfers smoothly to heirs or causes you care about. Wills and trusts provide control and privacy, while thoughtful wealth transfer and charitable giving strategies can offer tax advantages and clarity for beneficiaries. The goal is to reduce legal complications while making sure your legacy aligns with your values and intentions. Client profiling is the starting point for any tailored plan, combining goals and life events with an honest assessment of risk tolerance. We also consider behavior and time horizon to design recommendations that a person can actually follow. The result is a personalized plan that balances risk and return, reflects preferences, and helps keep decisions consistent when markets become emotional. Current trends in wealth management are reshaping how advice is delivered and decisions are made. Digital access and robo-advisors lower costs and broaden reach, while AI-enhanced analytics help spot patterns and optimize allocations. ESG factors are increasingly part of core criteria, and the industry is moving toward more personalized, transparent guidance that aligns values with financial outcomes. In conclusion, effective wealth management blends holistic planning, goal-aligned strategy, a long-term mindset, and the ability to adapt and evolve. Stay patient through volatility, anchor decisions to clear objectives, and revisit plans regularly as life and markets change. Treat wealth as an ongoing journey, one that benefits from discipline, clarity, and thoughtful adjustments over time.